APS means Auto Parts Expo Shanghai 2026. Let's go and check each manufacturer. The first one, GSP battery. Can you see the website? spring-wiper.com. 信邦。河北力拓 Auto Parts. Yeah, since this fair isn't big, I'm going to try my best to cover the major manufacturers. If you want to find one of them, you can pause and search for them on Google. Then you can get their contacts. 云绿 What are them? What are they? They've got different spare parts for automobiles. MZH. What are those products? If you are looking for this kind of products, this is the best fair for you to hit. What are they? Zhoulong Machinery. They've got some products here on the demo table. Taizhou Mingdi Automobile Parts. From Taizhou, that one is from Wenzhou in Zhejiang. They're very modern for the cars. Look at them. XH Xianghong from Anhui province. Key from Wenzhou. This one's from Ruian, Jinjia. Ruian again. Ruian is a city in Zhejiang. Yibo. Auto Electronic Company Limited. That one is from Hebei, Taizhou. They don't have any products here. the cars ahead, I think. Let's go and check it. What are these? Haoxiang. Huihua. Yeah. It's pretty professional. If you are not in the automobile industry, maybe it's pretty new for you. You don't have any ideas of them. Me neither. But I'm just trying my best to show them. Maybe you are a pro. Look at them. Ruian. Are you looking for this kind of products? SORL. Oh, what are they? So many companies are from Zhejiang province. There are more products. Jujiu. You can look at the logo. Logo. KLG. Since 1997. The logo. Yeah, guys, this is the end of the haul. I've been working so hard. Hopefully, you can click the like button. Thank you very much. What are they? Let's go and check it. From Sichuan. Name of a company. Let's check this one. What are these? Guys, this fair is really professional. APS. Hopefully you found some important information in this video. Hopefully it helps you with your business. Hopefully it helps you earn some money. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Bye-bye.